as a follow-up question, if you're suing the company you're working for, right, the general contractor or the developer, can you stay at your job while you're, once you're healed, you're able to go back, but the case goes on? Are you able to stay at your job, or you have to quit?
You can certainly stay at your job if you're physically able to.
Right.
In New York, you can't go after your employer directly because they afford you workers' compensation benefits. Those
Okay.
workers' compensation benefits include getting your medical bills paid for. If your medical treatment has concluded and the doctors say you can go back to work, then we understand how difficult it is and how important it is to put food on the table. You can go back to work, but bear in mind, when we go to trial, when we sue the developer or the construction manager or the general contractor, they will use that as evidence to say, you're not really that hurt, you came back to work. And so these are all factors that we have to consider when we make those decisions during the course of the litigation.
Matthew, but what happens if you want to go back to work, but your manager fires you because you have filed a lawsuit against them or against the developer, against JC? In fact, they retaliate against you. Have you seen such cases, and what happens then?
It's an unfortunate reality that these companies choose to retaliate and terminate employees and workers who have been injured just doing their day-to-day job.
Right.
If there's a retaliatory firing, that opens up a whole host of potential employment litigation matters that we can either assist with, or we work hand in hand with qualified, skilled employment lawyers who would be able to bring that separate cause of action against the employer.
Very good. So it sounds like you have to go to an attorney, get a consultation for free, because your firm provides free analysis of the case, free consultation, and then you're gonna know your rights. And it's important to document everything early, and the attorney, like Matthew Sullivan, will tell you what needs to be documented, what evidence you need to have, what evidence your attorney can find for you through different court processes, like discovery and so on. So you are in the best position to recover the most money for your case. Matthew Sullivan from the law firm of Gregory, Spektor Associates, thank you so much. This was always very interesting, very educational. And what we're trying to do here is not just to give you dry law, because that's boring. We're trying to make it interesting to educate you on your rights, so you know, so you are aware of what is going on prior to your case and during your case. So please follow us for more educational posts on legal topics, on Q&As with various attorneys. And please like our pages on Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube. We're everywhere, so you can reach us, you can access us. And if you have any questions, either call Matthew Sullivan directly. We're going to give the phone number on the bottom of the screen, or you can post comments below this post on social media or what have you. Matthew Sullivan, thank you so much. And I'll see you very soon with more questions.
Really appreciate your time. Thank you.